Someone says something nasty to you because something nasty is happening within them. They need your love, compassion or distance. Do not let the spiral of nastiness suck you in. This is important. This is important in everyone's life, that what we call as life is a limited amount of time and energy. Let us not turn this nasty. This is not about being nice to people. This is about you being nice to yourself. You being in a state of love, joy, compassion is not about being nice to other people. It's about you being very nice to your life. Because if you do not know how to be nice to this life, you will never know how to be nice to the other people genuinely. With best intentions, you'll do terrible things. May you know the wonder of being always blissful and loving in your life, because you deserve it. Please make it happen for yourself. Everything that you need, the tools that you need. If you don't know how, the tools that you need, we're willing to provide. There are a lot of tools available free of cost. Please download the Sadhguru app. We want to provide many more things. Technologically, we were crippled a little bit, but probably in a month or two, much more will be available. Make use of this. We are here just for this one purpose, that you and everyone else like you must live a pleasant life. Only in this pleasantness will your body and your brain work at their best, and you will be at your peak. The best of you should happen, because this is our time and it's a limited amount of time. Let's make sure this is the best time ever.